Good evening. I got a message from the Israeli Defense Department and that we might have a siren soon. This time I decided to go to the light rail station mainly because it's a big shelter. It's a public huge shelter, different than the shelter that you saw. Whoa, what's happened to why it's not? Wait, I need to. All right, and as you can see, that area is full with students and young people. I'm the oldest one, and I think it's lovely to see it because I didn't visit it as well. I can see the people are sitting next to it, getting ready for the second announcement that will tell us that they already launches the missiles through Israel. It might be not, might be yes. And then we will have to wait for the siren itself. I will stay outside until we will hear the siren together, and then I will enter with you to the shelter. Oh look, I don't know, do you recognize Julio Iglesias here? I don't know why it's here. Don't ask me. I don't know. Someone loves Julio Iglesias. Next to every station you can see some military guys that will help us. And well, let me organize myself because you can actually see me now. Hello me, hello you. Another kind of beautiful people that you will see here are foreign workers. But we are waiting. We're waiting because there's no rush. I took a bus. When I got the first announcement, I decided to take the bus to here because it's usually between 15 to 20 to half an hour gap until the second announcement, and then we have another 10 minutes. And if you never saw the light rail station of Tel Aviv, then you're going to be a little bit jealous because it's beautiful. Well, I don't know what's happening now, but I'm waiting for more than half an hour to see what's going on. And I decided just to go down to see what's happening down there. Because it looks like it might be a false alarm, but at least you will see that. I will see as well the kind of the shelter. Oh, it's just here? Or maybe we have to go there. Let's enter to see what's going on here. Yeah, it's boring. I wanted you to see the station itself. Oh, you're going to see the station. It's a beautiful station, isn't it? Ooh, it's freezing here. Lovely air condition. You can see the people that are actually waiting for the second announcement. Let me take you to the underground, which I'm not sure that this is the best shelter. Maybe the underground is even better, but I'm not sure as well, mainly because there are a lot of glasses there. But I can see people are sitting and waiting. And is it beautiful or not? There are no light rails now. Trains are not working. I'm sure that those people knows better than me that this is the safest place. You can see it's very, very high. Oh, why people are clapping? Suddenly the people are leaving because there's nothing special outside. And I wanted you to see the fun of here, but there's not a lot of fun except of a little bit of music, which is beautiful as you can see. But let's go outside because they are not allowing me to take a video here. It looks like it's a false alarm or we just bombed all the missiles in Iran. Then lucky. We are climbing up, we're going outside. Funny to say, every time that I'm going to the public shelter, there's no missiles. Then in that case, I didn't know if you could hear me downstairs because it was difficult to take a video there. Two reasons for that. The first one, that we knew that it's happening and we destroyed the missiles before they actually launched it. The second option is that they decided to trick us. Then you can actually choose whatever you want. But the result is that everyone are leaving that place. And then I'm going home. I'm going home. Wow, the weather is amazing now. It's a little bit breezy, not so humid. Guys, I do have more than 21,000 videos on YouTube, not only about the war, about everything that happened in Israel, mostly Christian, Jewish items. And don't forget, my Facebook and Instagram, by the same title, The Holy Lamb by Zahi. I'm uploading different things there as well. And you are my family now. Then don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to be part of it. And what I would ask you to do is comments, and send that video to everyone who believes that Israel is a great place, just like me. Bye bye.